Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about how to multiply matrices. In this session also, we shall continue the problems on multiplication of matrices. If A equals 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and B equals 3 minus 1 minus 2 0. Find AB and BA. Solution. So let us find AB. So first we shall write matrix A, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, and next we write matrix B, 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0. Row into column operation. Since A and B both are square matrices of same order and the resultant product AB will be also a square matrix of the same order, 2 into 2. So AB is equal to, 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2. So first row into first column, that is 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 2. Next is first row into second column, that is 2 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 0. Next, second row into first column, that is 3 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Next, second row into second column, 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0. So AB is equal to 2 into 3, 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 3 9 plus minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0. So AB will be equal to 6 plus 4, 10, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Next we shall find BA. So BA will be equal to, first we shall write the matrix B. So B is 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0. Second matrix is A. So A is 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1. So let us find the product of these two matrices. So BA is equal to, the rule is row into column. So 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3, that is first row into first column. Next element is first row into second column, 3 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Next row, second row into first column, minus 2 into 2 plus 0 into 3. Second row into second column, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 0 into minus 1. So BA is equal to, so 3 2s are 6, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 0 into 3 0. Minus 2 into minus 2 4 plus 0 into minus 1 0. So BA will be equal to 6 minus 3 3, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, minus 4 plus 0 minus 4, 4 plus 0 4. If A equals 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 0, find A into A dash and A dash into A. So solution, A is given, A is 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 0. We shall find A dash. So A dash is the transpose of A, that is the first row should be written in the first column and the second row should be written in the second column. So this is A dash. Now we have to find A dash, that is first let us find A into A dash. First we shall write A. So A is 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 0. Next we have to write A dash. So A dash is 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. The rule is row into column. So here the matrix A is of the order 2 rows and 3 columns. B matrix is of the order 3 rows and 2 columns. Now AB matrix will be of the order 2 into 2 because the number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B, that is these two are equal. So the AB matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. So AA dash is equal to first row into first column, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1, that is first row first column. Next element will be first row and second column, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0. Next, second row into first column, 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1. Next element is second row second column, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 0. So A into A dash will be equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 2 1s are 2 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0 0. 1 into 2 2 plus minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 0 into minus 1 0. 1 into 1 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. So A dash will be equal to 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That is A dash is equal to 14 minus 1 minus 1, 2. Second, we shall find A dash A. So A dash A is equal to, first we shall write A dash. So A dash is 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 1, 0 into A. So A is 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. We shall multiply these two matrices. The rule is row into column. So here A dash matrix is of the order 3 rows and 2 columns. A matrix will be of the order 2 into 3. So A dash A matrix, that is A dash A matrix, will be of the order 3 into 3, because the number of columns in A dash will be equal to the number of rows in A. For A dash A will be 3 into 3. So A dash A has 3 rows and 3 columns. So A dash A is equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. So first row into first column, first row into second column. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next is first row into third column. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 into 0, 0. So next row, second row into first column, 3 into 2, 6 plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Second row, second column, 3 into 3, 9 plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Next is second row into third column, 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0, 0. Next row is third row into first column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 0 into 1, 0. So third row into second column, minus 1 into 3, minus 3 plus 0 into minus 1, 0. Next element is the third row into third column, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. So A dash A is equal to 4 plus 1, 5, 6 minus 1, 5, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, 6 minus 1, 5, 9 plus 1, 10, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, 1 plus 0, 1. If A equals 3 minus 1, 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 0, 5. So find A square. So here we have to find A square. So A square is equal to A into A. So that will be equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 205 into 3 minus 1 2 1 2 2 205. Here A is a square matrix of, that is order 3. Therefore, A square will be also a square matrix of order 3. So, this will be equal to first row into first column, 3 into 3 9 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 4. Next, first row into second column, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 0 0. Next, first row third column, 3 into 2 6 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 5 10. Next row, second row into first column, 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 2 4. Next, second row into second column, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 0 0. Next, second row into third column, 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 5 10. Next row, 2 into 3 6 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 5 into 2 10. Next element is third row into second column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 5 into 0 0. Next element is third row into third column, 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 5 into 5 25. So, A square will be equal to 9 minus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 6 minus 2 4, 4 plus 10 14, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 4 minus 1 3, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 10 16, 6 plus 10 16, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, 4 plus 25 29. So, A square will be equal to 12 minus 5 14, 9 3 16, 16 minus 2 29. Okay, thank you.